This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Genesis key fob. First, locate the small button on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly to release the hidden mechanical key. Once released, carefully pull the mechanical key completely out of its slot. This initial step provides access to the key fob's internal components and prepares it for opening. Now, with the mechanical key removed, carefully examine the edge of the key fob where the key was housed. You should notice a small slot or indentation along the seam. This specific opening is designed for you to insert a prying tool. Take a moment to locate it precisely before moving to the next step. Next, take a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and carefully insert it into the slot you just located. Gently twist the tool to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Apply steady, light pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. You should hear a slight click as the halves begin to separate, revealing the interior. Once the fob is open, you will see the battery. Note its type, which is typically a CR2032 coin cell. Carefully remove the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring correct polarity. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them together until they click securely into place. Reinsert your mechanical key, and you are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.